many petrolheads out there who might be able to stretch to a supercar, especially a used one, but refrain from doing so due to the maintenance and insurance costs this would entail. Bought in 2016 with just 1,000 miles, 1,609 kilometers, on the Odo, the Italian supercar now has 23,000 miles, 37,015 kilometers. During this time, it went through a few oil changes, which cost anywhere between $500 and $1,500 each depending on where they're done, so taking it to a mechanic rather than an authorized dealer is more economical, and, as he says, you'd still keep your warranty. Driving the Huracan on a daily basis, combined with the occasional track days and having fun on twisty roads will eat those tires quite fast. So how much does a new set cost? Well, that'll be $1,700 then, which, for their size, is actually quite reasonable. It wasn't all smooth sailing, though, as the Huracan had an issue with the right front brake pad. This turned out to be quite expensive, as the carbon ceramic disc had to be changed, and it burned a $6,000 hole in his pocket. Moreover, since it was in the shop, it also got an oil change, fluid flush and its brake pads changed on all four corners. Thus, in the end, he was faced with a $9,000 bill, and that is kinda scary.